Right, cool.
Morning, everybody. It's good to see you all here on a rather pleasant Thursday as we build up towards the bank holiday. Obviously, my name is Michael, and I've got Nish with me as always, leading the way. And the only way to start the day is with some motivation. So, who can we call upon at this particular point? I know. We'll slide towards Mr. Action Jackson. How you doing?
I am doing amazing. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Nisha. Trust you guys are doing well.
Yeah, it's good. We just had the naming ceremony took place yesterday.
Yes, that was amazing. She had like 8 different names that have been given to her by grandparents and uncles and aunties.
Amazing.
Yes.
So the question is, do you now remember them and in the order that they're supposed to be in?
Oh, behave yourself. I can and that's it. But yeah, it was an amazing event yesterday, all online, of course. But it was so nice.
Yeah, it sounds really lovely. It's unique. It adds to the story, doesn't it? When you look back upon it, and you know that all of your family from all over the world were here, but they weren't here, but they were here.
They were there, yeah.
Indeed, in mind that they all gather around and they're all holograms in your living room, like some kind of sci-fi film.
That's the future. We should start designing that, Michael.
Well, yeah, I'm sure someone's already nicked the patent for that, but we'll give it a go.
Indeed.
All right, Jackson, I will leave it over to you, sir, to get us started in the right possible way. Thank you.
Excellent stuff. Excellent. Well, good morning, everyone. This is Action Jackson, the resident motivator here at Free Streaming School. It's a pleasure to have you here with us. My job every single day here at Free Streaming School is to increase your level of motivation. So if you've never seen me before, hi, I'm Action Jackson, motivational speaker. My mom thinks I'm good looking. I believe her. Okay, trust me, I believe her. I really believe in feeling positive and thinking positive. It's so sad that many of us don't think positive automatically. We have to almost engineer positive thinking. Whereas negative thinking is this automatic thing that happens to you without even trying. So my job today is to really help you change the channel of your mind, so that you can start tapping into the part of your brain that makes you feel good about yourself. I never get tired of motivating myself because I need the energy to motivate you. So as always, I like my music to just feel the groove, feel the vibe. Michael's feeling it with me as well, and I'm loving that. Mike, I want to see your I am amazing move today. Let me see how good it is. And it goes like this. I am amazing. Oh, yes. Look at that. I am amazing. Oh, you got it. I like that.
I'm in the background doing that. Don't you worry.
Honestly, we need to have a music video where we're just doing the dancing. Now, very quickly, I just want to share a quick story with you guys. So I actually saw this story online yesterday, and it's quite heartwarming and heartbreaking at the same time. So the teacher was writing up on the wide screen, the black spot, what is it called, these screens that they write on, the interactive whiteboard. And he was writing some maths problems. And first maths problem he wrote was 9 times 1 is 7. And then 9 times 2, 18. So he wrote about 10 different equations. He got the 9 right, and he got the first one purposely wrong. The kids looked at the guy who was writing on the interactive whiteboard. They said, ha, 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 ha. Sir, look. You got it wrong. Ha, ha. And the whole class was just literally in hysterics. And he turns around to the class and he says, interesting, your response. I actually did that on purpose. Because before the lesson, I want to teach you a lesson. And the lesson is this. Isn't it interesting that I got 9 equations right? I only got 1 wrong. And the one I got wrong was the one you focused on, was the one you laughed about. You didn't congratulate me for getting 9 right. The class went into a silence. He then turned around to the kids and he said, in life, the world will not celebrate the things you got right. Some people will only look at the things you got wrong and they will highlight that thing. The kids in the room started nodding. He said, when you go out there into that big wide world, don't expect to be celebrated immediately. Because many of us are so prone to negativity that one bad mistake, they're coming for you. And I thought to myself, what a powerful, powerful message to teach a young person. To say in life, you're going to get things right. And you're also going to get some things wrong. Others might focus on what you got wrong. But your job is to focus on the things you got right. It's not easy. Half of the reason why some of you don't try certain questions or you don't try certain things is because you're scared that someone might laugh at you. The reason why you haven't started that YouTube channel of the things you love doing was because you think they're going to criticize you. Some of you are watching right now, you are amazing at writing short stories, but you're scared that no one would read it. Some of you have dreams of becoming a ballerina or a historian, archaeologist, but you're busy thinking about the critics even before you've actually launched out. That's a dangerous way to start. My encouragement to you today is this. Embrace your failures as well as your success. You're going to have plenty of those. Trust me. You're going to try, you're going to fail. According to statistics, a baby will fall down 362 times before a baby can walk. I don't know who sits there and just starts counting. But that baby never focuses on the failure. As a matter of fact, when the baby falls down, the baby starts to laugh. And they try again and again and again. My encouragement to you today is this. No matter what you're learning, no matter where you're learning, celebrate your successes and celebrate your failures. Because watch this. You are one wrong answer away